How to buy Ramon token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Now open your fund to manage for that. As you can see, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is also click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip patch from here or custom it, because the most of issues, as you know, it's came from the slip patch, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a Ramon token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.